Where did all these feather birds come from? Where are they all coming from? Oh my goodness, look at this. Look, it's down there. Look, they're everywhere. Look, there's more of them. What is all this? Oh my god. I have never seen this many birds ever. Look, they're everywhere. They're on power lines and houses. Look, it's on another street. This always happens once a year. Where are they all coming from? Look, they're on a tree. They're everywhere. Where did they come from? Look, there's some over there. Where are they coming from? Where are they all coming from? What's bringing them here? Let's see what's... Whoa, there they all go. Whoa, look at them all. What is all this? Whoa. Oh my god. Look, they're going down there now. There's still some over here. There they go again. Where are they all coming from? There they all go. Flying somewhere else. Whoa. Whoa. Oh my god. Where are they going now? They're down the next street. There's still a couple over there. Not as much. Never seen that many birds ever. There's still some down there. And there's still some down that street too. You can still see them flying if my camera focuses. And now they're gone. I want to know where they're all coming from. Look, there's some down there. That is the most birds I ever saw. There's some more. Is that the same group or is it different? That's the same group. They're still coming. What is all this? What do they want? Why are they going on the power lines? Just what do they want? I want to know what they want. Why are they all here? Yeah, those ones haven't left. Now those 3 left, or 4, they're joining those guys over there. There's this little guy, Lonely. It's getting loud again, all the chirps and everything. That was crazy. I can't stay out forever. There's still some on the other side. And there's these guys right here. Wow.